Low cloud cover out there this morning. Not really a huge issue with fog, but so we're keeping an eye on some spots down towards Venice where visibility has dropped down to near zero because of that fog. But as we go through the second half of the morning, the fog will lift if you have it at all, and that's when we'll begin to see that chance for a few isolated showers. A bit breezy throughout the entire day, but this afternoon, scattered showers and storms could produce some damaging winds. Some gusty winds within those storms could be in excess of 58 miles per hour. Hail a possibility as well, but we'll see those storms clear out through the evening. That will give way to a cooler day tomorrow as cooler air begins to be ushered in as we head into early tomorrow morning. Satellite and radar loop, this is over the last few hours. Nothing out there right now aside from just a few low clouds. Zooming up to the north, this is the leftovers from the severe weather that moved through the southeast last night. Still, a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 9 o'clock for southeastern Georgia into southern South Carolina. But our weather not out there yet, and that's why the timing of this is still a little complicated to pin down exactly when we're going to see those storms. We're finding a few showers out ahead of the cold front, but what we're waiting on is this upper level low to swing through, and that's going to merge with the warmth and the moisture that's surging out ahead of that cold front. All of that will combine together to bring us that threat for severe weather later on today. So we're still waiting for those storms to develop. It's not like when you track a hurricane where you see where the hurricane is and you can track it as it develops. We're waiting on the line of storms to develop through the afternoon. But still, the better ingredients for severe weather is going to be north of Tampa today. Still, we are included in that enhanced level, or that level 3 of 5 for severe storms this afternoon. Still a slight risk extending down to Fort Myers, where strong winds and hail are the primary concerns. But even though it's a small chance for a tornado today, a brief tornado nonetheless can still cause some damage, so something that we're going to be watching closely through the afternoon hours. Timing out the day here, we'll see those isolated showers begin to pop up around the area late this morning toward lunchtime. Nature Coast, you guys are going to see the storms first. Some of the latest models developing this band of heavy rainfall down towards Sarasota through early this afternoon. I am honestly more concerned with this area of storms as it moves to the south and east, and it will be those discrete cells that could produce the severe weather. So we'll keep an eye on the development of this line of storms as it races to the south and east. It will be moving quickly and moves out through this evening, giving way to clearing skies that will take us into the overnight before the cold front finally moves through. And then it will be behind that cold front where the cooler temperatures begin to be ushered in through the day tomorrow. Again, the primary threats: damaging wind, hail, and tornadoes. And a brief tornado, I don't think that's a big concern, but certainly between 2 and 7 o'clock is when you want to just make sure you've got your weather antennas up so you know what's going on and you're staying aware of that potential threat as the storms move through. This morning, temperatures are in the low 70s. It is warm, it is muggy, but it cools down. Tomorrow, 68 degrees, 67 on Thursday. It'll be breezy for the next few days, but we're warming up nicely as we go into the weekend with those highs on Sunday back up to